he's answering and he's
He
being...
read the text messages. Get the beetle.
With this footage, you're like Bobby with the video camera camping.
Oh,
No,
did
but
you
I'm
ever hear
gonna
about
make
that?
something good, trust me. Did we ever?
Hey guys, it's been a really long time. How are you? A lot has happened since we talked last. If you can't already tell, I have my own apartment. I have like my dream job. Everything's going pretty smoothly and I'm just so grateful for that. But it's been a really long time since I picked up the camera last, and I've been feeling a bit inspired, a bit more creative lately. So I'm gonna try to give this a shot and try to make some not daily, let's be real, some weekly vlogs again, just because I enjoy editing them so much and that gives me just like a productive thing to do when I'm bored at home. So yeah, if you want to stick around and watch this vlog, that would mean a lot. I'm gonna try to do a new editing style where it's like a little bit less talking and more just like clips and hopefully good editing. But if that's something that sounds interesting and you want to give it a shot, then keep watching. I just want to document that this is how I picture my boyfriend wanting his food. Like literally he wants everything separate so much that I had to make a straight line. It's like, this is probably what he wants, because then he can have his other food groups here, you know? This probably isn't as funny as I thought it would be, but you know, what else is new? What is going on with that carrot? Did you see that? So I can be a bit of a homebody, and by a bit of a homebody I mean I don't leave my house for days at a time sometimes unless I'm going to work. So, but my boyfriend just challenged me to do a 1,000-piece puzzle by the time he comes home from golf, which is probably 7 p.m. and it is 11:06 right now. So if I can do this by 7, then we get to go out to eat. So wish me luck and come along this journey with me. I don't know if I can do it, but I feel like if I put my mind to it, it might be early enough that I can, but we'll see. Keep watching. Okay, update 11:59, and I just finished flipping them all over. I'm a little overwhelmed and already in pain, so this is gonna go really well.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, 1:56. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. My knees hurt so bad. I mean, like this corner, great, but the problem is I should have done this on the dining room table. I did it on the coffee table, and as you can see, it's just like barely fitting, which makes it very hard to do a 1,000-piece puzzle. Also, my knees, that's so bad. That's so bad. I'm in so much pain, and I haven't eaten, so yeah, I don't think this is gonna happen, but at least I tried, you know? It's just not worth it. Update, I finished the puzzle 2 days later. It's pretty good, if you ask me. Like, I did that. My back hurts, everything hurts, but look at it. It's so pretty. It's always the worst thing about doing a puzzle is having to take it all apart afterwards. But I did it. That's all. Like, what do I do now?
That's the red trapezoid.
Oh, you got it. Good job.
Dude, you're like, good to go. Yeah. Run that audio back. There we go. Yeah. But he's just giving back what she's giving him. He's not coming on to her. He's not texting her first.
Yeah, right. He's answering, and
He read the text messages.
He's just answering. He's just playing the game.